We'll guide you through how to access ChatGPT premium features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website on your desktop browser. Once you're there, sign into your account using your existing credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by clicking on the sign up button and following the prompts. After signing in, look for the upgrade or premium button, typically found on the main dashboard or in the account settings section. Click on that button to view the available premium plans and features. It will present options like enhanced performance, priority access during high demand periods. In advanced customization settings, choose a plan that suits your needs and click select or subscribe of. You'll be prompted to enter your payment details, so grab your credit card or have your PayPal information ready. Once you've entered your payment information, confirm your subscription by clicking submit or confirm. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after, indicating that your premium access is active. Now you can enjoy all the extra features that come with your subscription. Remember, premium features often include faster response times, priority access, and sometimes even new experimental tools that aren't available to free users. Don't forget to explore these options to get the most out of your ChatGPT experience. And there you have it. You're all set to explore and utilize the premium features of ChatGPT. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.